Did you know that there are new drugs so efficient they can cure cancer in a single dose? These treatments are not regular molecules. They are living drugs made of genetically engineered cells, also called CAR T cells. CAR T cells represent a revolution in personalized medicine. They are made from cells found in the blood of each patient, and with over 1,500 products currently in clinical development, they have the potential to save the lives of over 3 million people each year. Unfortunately, very few people benefit from these life-saving treatments because at the moment the entire industry can only produce a few doses every year. CAR T cell manufacturing is incredibly difficult, time-consuming, labor-intensive and expensive, typically costing $500,000 per patient.
At Limula, we believe automated and distributed manufacturing will make CAR T cell products 10 times cheaper than they are today. We develop a platform technology that can perform the whole manufacturing process in a single device directly at the hospital. We remove the need for large sterile manufacturing facilities and inefficient manual steps. Our technology is composed of a single-use disposable kit containing our patented bioreactor and all of the reagents needed for cell therapy manufacturing. The kit is mounted on an operating unit that performs automatically all of the steps of the manufacturing and monitors the cell culture in real time.
My name is Luc Henry. I have a PhD in chemical biology from the University of Oxford, and I've accumulated extensive experience in research in a broad range of topics, from organic chemistry to cancer immunology.
My name is Jan Pearson. I graduated from the EPFL with a PhD in chemical biology and also have certifications in mechanical engineering. I invented, designed, and prototyped the technology behind Limula's platform. At Limula, we believe in a future where the most advanced cancer therapies are available to everyone.